Hey guys, what is up? It is your girl Mandy here from Louis and Bougie. Long time no chat. I am super excited though. I hope you guys have all been doing well, but I'm super excited for this double luxury unboxing for you guys, making it up to you because it's been a hot sec. So if you are interested in seeing a double unboxing of what I got from Chloe and Hermes, yes, you heard that correct, Hermes and Chloe, which I have never purchased anything from either of these brands before, then please stay tuned. So without further ado, I'm going to get started with the Chloe first, since she isn't necessarily wrapped super fancy. As you can imagine, Hermes definitely has like a little fancy wrapping situation going on. So very excited. Two very different items, both perfect for the spring and summer season, and I could not be happier that I have these in my collection. So let's get started. And I would definitely say these are both like pretty classic, iconic items for the brands as well, which is always really great. So first things first, we're gonna unbox or reveal the Chloe. And as you can tell, it's a pretty decent sized purchase here. This dust bag is absolutely adorable. It of course has the iconic Chloe logo on it. You guys can kind of see through the dust bag a little bit, so you got a little heads up or glimpse into what we are revealing today. Without further ado, here she is. We have the beautiful Chloe small woody tote, I believe is the complete name for this one, but I will definitely show or look at my phone to double check because I did just order this, and she is absolutely stunning. I got her from Saks Fifth Avenue, and normally, you typically would be buying directly from the brand. I don't believe Chloe actually has a physical storefront near me. Yeah, it's called the Small Woody Basket Bag, and I got it from Saks Fifth Avenue. This one retails for under $1,000, guys, which I think is the steal of a deal because this bag is so spacious, as you can see, and this is the small size, so you can only imagine how big the large size probably is. But I absolutely love the craftsmanship, the classiness, everything about this bag. It just screams like nautical, beachy vibes, summer vibes, spring vibes, all the things, getting ready for the warm weather. And I absolutely love the beige color, of course, as well. The beige like straw. And then, of course, the beige handles here with the Chloe logo. And I do believe it is black writing just based on what I'm seeing here. But it's absolutely gorgeous. So I'll show you guys the details. So the straps are beautiful. It's a nice like canvasy type of material. Very soft like fabric, and it's beige. And then it has a little bit of leather right there, like a dark browner kind of color leather, which I think is absolutely stunning. Here's the other one, again with the brown leather detail on the inside, and of course the Chloe logo on both sides of the bag. And then it's just a wide open sort of space, which is really cool because you can just kind of throw things in. It's a very easy, kind of carefree sort of bag, and I just absolutely love it because I think this would be perfect for the beach, or summer season. I probably wouldn't bring this on the beach with me, let's be honest, but because of the sand, I would be worried I'd be getting sand everywhere, but just bringing this when you're going to the beach and for summertime, it's just absolutely phenomenal. And I feel like this could fit a lot. And then, of course, the iconic Chloe logo again on the leather part of the bottom of the bag. And then we have the canvas fabric-y straps kind of going through it at the bottom, which is really cool. But this bag just gives such beautiful, like, vibes. I don't know, like, very coastal. Very, very coastal. And this straw, like, woven, like, the weaving of the straw is apparently handcrafted, I think, in Kenya. I was reading on, like, the tag, which I think is amazing. A bunch of women created this bag. They were saying that women were, the ones creating it in Kenya, which I think is really cool. And they have a certain way of like stitching it or making it look like this, like it's a certain style, which I think is really awesome. And of course, the Chloe on the inside. There's the Chloe tag, and it says Anne Mafuko, which I believe may have been the people from Kenya who helped handcraft or like design this bag, which I think is amazing. So I absolutely love it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I think it's perfect for the spring and summer season. You can dress it up, dress it down. You can bring it with you when you're having a beach day or when you're walking through town or you're just having a fun summer day, and you can wear it with like a summer dress, jumpsuits, pants, jeans, denim shorts. You could even, kind of make it more casual with a set of denim shorts or something. So that's what I like about this bag. It's extremely versatile, and again, under $1,000, you really can't beat it for the size of what you're getting and how much you can fit in this bag. I mean, I could fit a change of clothes. I could fit a pair of flip-flops if I really wanted to, a towel, if you wanted to bring in like a beach towel, sunglasses, like whole 9 yards, even some like waters or things. I just feel like this is such like a fun, carefree, but also very nice tote bag. I would even bring this out to dinner, like if I wanted, if I was eating, somewhere kind of on the coast or by the ocean or something. Like I feel like this totally fits that vibe. So I absolutely love it, and I cannot wait to use this during the spring and summer season. So yes, I had to show you guys that. So that's the first part of this unboxing. And the second part, of course, is Hermes, which we all know, we're all familiar with. This is my first and probably my only Hermes purchase. I ended up getting a very classic item that I've kind of always had my eye out for. In the Chloe bag, I've kind of always seen and loved. But this one just like made sense to me. Like as far as like style and design and the price point, I'm like, you can't beat it, it's just so good. So in the small size too, I believe, I don't even know if they have that on the Chloe website. So check out Saks Fifth Avenue if you are interested in getting that straw bag. But yes, anyways, so this has been kind of a item on my wish list, for a hot sec. If I ever were to get anything from this fashion house, Hermes, I knew that this would be the item I would want. I've never been like a girl that's like, oh my God, I have to get the Birkin or the Kelly. I just feel like that's very unrealistic and personally not something that I would feel comfortable spending that much money on. So I am very excited though with what I did get from Hermes, and without further ado, this is like a full-on unboxing. Everything's still wrapped in the bag, everything iconic. So we are doing this together. I haven't seen these since I bought them in the store. So here is the gorgeous wrapping for Hermes. The bow and the ribbon in the brown with the white writing is amazing. It's iconic. I love it. And of course the little receipt in the little receipt holder. I think that's so cute. And so pretty. So I love that. It's very official looking. So we'll definitely keep that in the bag. I always like to try to either keep that in the bag, but I also have a spot for like luxury receipts that I keep for authentication purposes and in case I ever decide to sell any of my pieces. So there is the ribbon. Oh my gosh. Okay. I feel so bad untying it. But, you got to get to the good stuff, guys. We got to get to the good stuff. So we untied the ribbon, which I'm definitely hanging on to and using for something. It's absolutely stunning. And this is my first and probably only, like I said, Hermes purchase. But I love it. Look at that box. Iconic. The orange with the brown. Okay. Oh, the dust pouches are unreal. So you can probably tell I got a pair of shoes from Hermes. So there's the iconic dust pouches. I love that it comes with a dust pouch per shoe, as it should, in my opinion. Most luxury shoes, I feel like, typically do that, but, I definitely would expect that from Hermes. Here they are, the Oran sandals in the gold color. It's called gold, but it's really like a cognac tan or brown kind of color. And it is so, so darling, so pretty, so classic and timeless. And look how perfect these guys look together. Like, I almost feel like I wanted to unbox them together. I got both of these recently, but I also feel like imagine wearing these together with an outfit. Like, this is just giving coastal vibes. Coastal, summer, spring. It's just getting me excited for warmer weather, basically. And I just think these would go perfectly together. So I am just kind of living for these. They are absolutely stunning. And I've seen a lot of reviews on YouTube and things about these Oran sandals, and I actually had a little bit of a different experience sizing wise with these, and I am so glad I went to the store to try them on because I never would have ordered them in the size I ended up getting had I not tried them on in the store. So I'm typically a size 38, which is European size for a size 8 for US. And that's usually my size and has been my size anytime I've gotten any kind of luxury sandals, like my Dior sandals, my Louis sandals, they've all been size 38. So this is the first time I ended up actually sizing down on these sandals. And I know a lot of people have been saying in the reviews that they felt that they needed to size up and everything to be able to get them to fit comfortably. I actually had the opposite situation. So because these are leather, they will stretch out, over time. And that's what the sales associate did share with me. So getting them a little bit more fitted, to begin with is definitely a good idea. But I also have a very narrow foot. So if you're like me and you have a very narrow foot, I just went down half a size than what I normally do. So I did a 37.5 instead of a size 8, which, typically I am a size 38, but for whatever reason, the way this shoe is designed, if you do have a narrow foot, I think it's important to get it a little bit more snug to begin with, and a little bit more fitted because again, it will stretch out over time because these are leather sandals. But this color is so fabulous, so classic. I was kind of going back and forth between this color and the beige mastic, and I'm actually so glad now that I'm seeing these. I think I will definitely get a lot more use and wear out of this color. And it's, of course, the most classic, popular color in the Oran sandals is this gorgeous color. But I also feel like this will literally match everything in my wardrobe for spring and summer. Like, this will be a constant repeat kind of sandal moment, and that's exactly what I wanted. And as you can see, it has the white stitching kind of on the H part, has this little like cushiony part right here with the Hermes logo, and then underneath you can see they're made in Italy. It has the Hermes logo, everything like that. So I absolutely love it. I'll take out the other one just so you guys can see. But the dust pouches are gorgeous and perfect for travel. I will most definitely be bringing them whenever I travel anywhere. I will be bringing them in the dust pouches to keep them nice and clean. And then, of course, here's the little piece that they put in to kind of help maintain the shape. I'll probably hang on to those because, because they stretch a little over time, sometimes it loses a little bit of the structure at the top here. So maybe I'll hang on to these guys just to maintain it. But I've always loved these sandals. So glad they're a part of my collection. And I think, as I get older, I really like quality more than quantity. Like, I'm valuing the quality of an item more than having a bunch of a specific item. So for me, like, downsizing and getting rid of a bunch of sandals that like I don't need or don't wear all the time, and kind of buying one pair of really nice sandals is kind of more my mentality, just because I find that this is never going to go out of style. It's a classic Hermes piece, and something I've always loved and seen and wanted. So I just am so beyond excited to have these guys here in my collection. I feel like it's a very subtle form of luxury. Like, if you know, but it's very classic, and most people kind of know that these are the Hermes Orans at this point. But if people don't know about luxury stuff, it's a little bit more understated versus like some of the more like logomania kind of situations. So I am just so excited to be wearing these. I'm already so excited just holding them. I just need it to get warmer out to be able to transition over to sandal season. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing both of these gorgeous items. Like, they're so perfect for each other. I almost feel like this brown leather is almost identical to this brown on the sandals, which I think is great too. So I feel like it makes kind of the perfect little summer spring set. But I hope you guys enjoyed this double unboxing video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you are interested in seeing more luxury videos in the future, please be sure to subscribe. I also post a lot on my Instagram, which I actually post a little bit more of like the smaller unboxings or reveals of luxury items on my Instagram. So if you aren't already following me there, it's the same exact handle as my YouTube, at Louie and Bougie. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day or night whenever you're watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!